It's all about humanity. About about it's all about humanity. About about it's all about humanity.
Hello guys, welcome back to my new vlog. Today we are reviewing this new Bolero Neo. This is the key of the vehicle and we get a flip key here with lock and unlock button. And this car has launched today in Bangalore, Karnataka. So this is the look of the car. And this car looks boxy and muscular all around. This is a new generation version of TUV 300. We get 1.5 liter Hemlock diesel engine. We don't get a petrol engine here nor an automatic gearbox. We get an 5-speed manual gearbox, and Mahindra offers 3 variants in Bolero Neo, that is N4, N8 and N10. The one which we are seeing here is the N10 model, top model, and we get this reflector headlights. We don't get an LED setup, but we do get an halogen bulbs which are good enough, and we get this indicators and parking light with daytime running light. We do get fog lights, halogen bulbs, and this is the signature grille of Mahindra, and we do get an Mahindra logo in chrome finish. Mahindra offers 5 colors in their Bolero Neo, which are diamond white, rocky beige, highway red, Napoleon black and majestic silver. And the one which we are seeing here is the diamond white color. In the exterior we get auto adjustable rear view mirror and power antenna, alloy wheel, rear spoiler, side stepper and chrome grille, and we do get an lot of accessory option. This is the 5-spoke alloy wheel 15-inch. We get CAT tires, and tire size happens to be 215/75 R15. The alloy wheels size is 15 inches, and we get this X-shaped body colored bumpers. In safety we get anti-lock braking system, central locking, 2 airbags and day and night rear view mirror, rear seat belts, seat belt warning, side impact beams, front impact beams, adjustable seats, engine immobilizer, crash sensor, central mounted fuel tank, ABS with EBD, and advanced feature like follow me home headlamp, speed alert, isofix child seat mount, and we also get this corner braking system. This is the rear look of the car. This is the tail light. We don't get any LED setup. Bolero Neo badging, door handle, and we get this Stepney tire on the boot, mounted on the boot, and we get this footstep. And some people believe that mounting Stepney tire on the boot is an safety feature, like if car gets hit by some other car on the back side, it saves the people who are sitting at the back. N10 badging, and this is the rear look of the car. We get this rear wiper with washer and rear defogger also, high mount stop lamp, Live Young, Live Free quote by Mahindra to inspire young people. And we have the spoiler, and the rear window, third row window, can be opened a little bit for air intake. This is side look of the car. And in comfort features, we get power steering, power window front, and heater, adjustable steering, low fuel warning light, accessory power outlet, rear reading lamp, rear seat headrest, adjustable headrest, and cruise control. Cruise control was an unexpected feature for this car, and we get it. And Mahindra has launched a car which is a best and value for money model. This car is an small brother of Bolero. Come, let's open the boot. The doors are heavy and feel muscular. We get this door pads in beige finish. We get this pull handle and the door look and the boot look. The seats are foldable. It can be folded to increase boot carrying capacity, and seats are easy to fold and can be folded easily. The children's are comfortable at the rear, and adult people who are above 5.6 feet are not comfortable. Boot has a space of 384 liters. We can keep 3 to 4 big luggage bags and carry it easily. The length of this car happens to be 3995 mm, and height of this car is 1817 mm. And the rear seat look, two children are comfortable at the rear. The wheelbase of this vehicle is 2680 mm, and the gross weight happens to be 2215 kgs. We get this footstep and rear reflectors with rear parking sensors. Let's open the door. We get this beige color door pads which is finished in plastic. We get this door handles in an silver metallic finish. 1 liter water bottle holder, speaker, and mirror controls, headlight control, key insert slot, and this is the dashboard look. We get this tire information sticker. This is the stereo of the car. We get LCD 7-inch touchscreen system which supports USB, aux, Bluetooth and radio. We get 6 speakers system in this Bolero Neo, 4 speakers and 2 tweeters. And we get this manual adjustments of AC and hazard light button. We get this 12V charging port, phone, audio, info, EQ, on and off button, and we get this manually adjustable buttons, and we get this silver metallic finish on the AC vents, dual tone dashboard, piano black finish. We get this glow box, and rear view IRVM. We get this reading lights which are manually adjustable, which are bright enough. This is the microphone for the stereo, and we get this sun blind here, wide enough. And in the interior we get electronic multi trip meter, and we get this seats in fabric upholstery. The seats are not too comfortable, and they are good enough for short trip journeys. For long trips these seats are not comfortable. I wish Mahindra could have given a better seats with leatherette upholstery. And we get this passenger side sun blind with mirror, airbag written over there, and dual tone dashboard, 12V charging port, storage placed there, 5-speed manual gearbox, and we get this power window buttons, and we get this small cup holders, 3 cup holders, handbrake, and little storage space also. And we get this individual armrest on the passenger seat also, passenger side seat look, and we get this individual armrest on passenger seats also, and driver seat. And the steering wheel comes with only tilt option, we don't get telescopic. Also we get an power steering wheel with mounted buttons, pedals, and door handles and AC vent panels are colored in silver metallic accent, and those looks good. This is the front seat look, dual tone dashboard, and this instrument cluster looks good. With, I think this is copied from Mahindra Thar, and we get the steering mounted buttons which supports stereo, and one is cruise control. This is the look of the steering wheel. The audio quality is decent. Graphic design, the fuel tank capacity happens to be 50 liters, and this is the blue oil, filled every 5000 kilometers once in the service station. And this is the look of the side mirrors. Side mirrors don't get indicators on them. This is the footstep, strong enough. And this is the black color finish on the doors. Let's open the door. Door feels heavy and muscular. We get this silver metallic finish on the door handles, and 1 liter bottle holder, speaker, and power window button. And the door is finished in plastic, so plastic quality is decent, and the interior and the comfort is decent, and the seats are good for short trips, and for long trips the seats is not comfortable. We get adjustable headrest, and we do get an armrest, but seats could have been better, and the space for the legroom is also ample. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe and give a like on this video if you got it useful, and do follow us on Instagram for regular updates.